This video is a release update tutorial for a network installation of OmniWin. In this instance, we are updating OmniWin 2025.1.038 to OmniWin 2025.1.0411. The first thing you want to do is download and copy the installation files to all the clients and to the server. In this instance, we are looking at the client and we have a connection to the server. Keep in mind, it doesn't matter if you update the server or the clients first. However, OmniWin may not run until you complete all of the installations. Run the setup.exe from the installation package. A window reading "Setup has detected a previous version installed on your computer." Click Upgrade. Once complete, you can close this window and go back to the client to perform the same process. Run the setup.exe. Click Upgrade. Again, once complete, you can close this window. You should repeat this on all clients as necessary. After that, OmniWin will be upgraded. If you have any questions, contact our Applications Department for prompt service, 262-532-4689.